Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to uninstall Better Discord. To uninstall Better Discord, you need to run the Better Discord installer again and select the uninstall option. So basically what you need to do is, first of all, you want to launch, open or close the tab, and so now then you need to run the installer that you used to Discord or that you used to download Better Discord. You could get it from here as well, and go ahead and make sure to agree to the terms and conditions. So mark on the terms and condition at the bottom. Next, you want to click on and at the bottom once again click the next button, after which you'll be able to find these options as uninstall Better Discord. You want to click that out and click the next from the bottom of the page. As you've done it so, then you'll be able to choose the Discord version. You could go ahead and click on the delete button, select the current version of Discord and hit the uninstall button. Discord will restart and Better Discord will be removed. So this is how you'll be able to uninstall completely Better Discord. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.